Hey guys, I'm showing you these waffle plates. These plates are used for Cuisinart Griddler GR4N or GR5B, GR6, GRID A10 Series 4. So this is a 4 slicer waffle maker with removable plates. So I'm showing this model number in the corner so you know these plates will fit in which model. These are two non-stick coating baking plates, as you can see. So there are two plates. These are 3 by 4 inch thick Belgian waffles and without sticking to the cooking plate. So these are non-stick and these are very nice material, as I can see and you can see in the video as well. The shapes, total 4 pieces, can be made in once, and this is a dishwasher safe. And you need to be very critical about the model this will fit in, because this thing will go in the plate and you can see how you can make, like these plates will go like one on the top, one on the bottom. You can put in your solution like the waffle mix and then press it. Enjoy.